Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel werunwp. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to create temporary access to your WordPress site without sharing a password. It's perfect for giving developers or support agents limited time access securely. And if you are a developer, you can ask from your client the access without sharing their password if they are hesitating to give you the full access with their user, or they are not really techy and unable to create an temporary user. So you can just send him the tutorial, or you can just suggest him this way. So let's jump right into it. First, you will have to log in to your WordPress site, and then you will need to navigate to plugins and then click on add plugin, and then you will navigate to search plugins and right here temporary access. And this is the plugin, temporary login without password. This plugin is lightweight, secure, and widely used in WordPress community, and it's by Store Apps. You can see the logo. Just click on install now, and installed, and then click on activate. Okay, the plugin is activated and redirected us to the plugin page. And if you don't see this page right away, then just go to users and you can find a new option here, temporary logins. Just click on it and you will be redirected to this page. And to create a temporary login, just click on create new, then give it a fill out this form using the correct details, or you can also use a dummy mail for temporary access. So I'm giving it a dummy email here. Give it a username, then you can choose the role, and you can select a range of roles here. You can see SEO editor, SEO manager, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. And if the user needs the administrator role, and choose it wisely. If the user needs it, then select the administrator, because administrator role will have the full access of this site. And then you can set the expiry date from here, from 1 hour to 1 month, and also you can set a custom date from here. You can choose a date whenever you want the user to access the site for. I'm giving it 1 hour for now, then click on submit. You can also change the language from here. I'm keeping it default English, so let's click on submit, and the user is created. Just copy the link from here and give it to the user you want. Let me check the login. Just paste the login and check. Okay, it automatically logged in. It didn't ask us any username or password. Okay, so that's it. And one more thing, and you can also delete this by clicking on the cross icon here, and also you can log this user from here. And if you want to extend the expiry date or change anything, you can click on this pencil icon, and it will redirect you to the temporary login details again. So you can change from here too. Click on submit and it will be updated. So that's it for now. In this way you can easily log in or give access to someone else without actually giving them the username or password. That's a secure way. Okay, thank you. If you need any kind of WordPress help or any type of WordPress services, bug fixes, or SEO any type of WordPress things, just you can just let me know using the details in the description. I will leave my details or contact details in the description. You can contact me through the details. And if you need anything related to the plugins or themes paid, you can just come to werunwp, then brand deals. You can see I have a lot of plugins. I have actually more, but I haven't listed them all here. So you can just come here and click on get the details, and it will also redirect you to my WhatsApp, and we can discuss this through there too. Okay, and also you can directly contact me using the link in the description. So if you need any help, just let me know and I will be there to help. So thank you, that's it for today. I'll be coming with new tutorials in the future. So thank you for watching my video.